Hi everyone, my name is Justin and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, you already know why you clicked the video. So this video is entitled Filipino Mentality Core Try Not to Laugh, and this is the first part. And when it comes to try not to laugh, I just need to accept my defeat. I'm really gonna laugh. I cannot. I'm a Filipino as well, so I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy this one. and if you have the same humor, just as mine, because I have dark humor and broken humor because of my brother's influence, I think we're gonna like each other. So please, before I start the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you have already done that right now, thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. So let's just start. Let's start the video. You're watching Mimfic. Did I read that right?
Taon mo si May? Sige na mo lang mukhaon si mula daghan kay hugason, daghan kay diri hugason, daghan kay wa mo kalaba na inyong eskwelahan.
Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan! Manong ulam!
Ouch! Ouch! I feel so attacked with that video. Man, anong ulam dyan? Yeah. Obviously, that would be my first question.
Binibidyoan.
Hindi kita binibidyoan. Ang dilim kasi.
Kumanan ako.
Oh, kumanang ka.
Dumiretso ako.
Oh, dumiretso ka.
Tapos kumanan ako.
Oh.
Sabi kanan, dito yung kanan, di ba?
Oo.
Oh, diretso, kanan.
Oh.
Mali mo pare.
Bakit?
Kasi kumanan ako eh.
Oh, asa OCR mo?
Oh.
Oh.
Lisensya ka ba?
Oh, bakit? Ba't ako hiningan mo?
Ba't wala kang helmet?
Mga kababayan ko,
Get.
hindi po ako narito.
You can say in English kasi para maintindihan din ni ano.
Yeah.
All my fellow Filipinos, now this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
Asa naman tunto sila, uy? Paghilom, be! Kabaho ni mo baba!
Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang asignaturang Pilipino sa atin? Una, ang wika...
What's your problem?
Nothing. I just want to end this relationship. Just respect my decision.
Yeah, you should.
After I sacrificed my marriage for you, and now you're telling me is this enough? Hell,
I feel like I'm so invested with this kind of video. He sacrificed his marriage. That's a big no, I guess. And then now she's breaking up with you, so you just wasted your marriage at that point.
no.
Just let me go!
Ouch!
Anong palagay mo sa'yo? Magnanakaw? Magnanakaw ako? Ikaw magnanakaw ng puso ko?
Panoorin nyo kami! Walang scrollan! Walang scrollan, tol!
Papalapit pa lang si Ed sa bahay ni na Emily. Aligaga na siya.
It's more of an elementals. Lalo ngayon, basa yung tubig.
I mean, he's right. Water is wet. I'll be scared if water is dry. So this is the reason why I'm proud of being a Filipino.
Artista kamukha mo.
Angel Oxin, sa kabila.
Sa kabila.
Kaylin Alcantara,
Sa harap.
harap.
Ate gay.
The last one was very accurate.
Oh, gilid. Anong gilid?
Judy Ann Santos.
Okay.
Kabila.
Ang Curtis.
Oh, harap. Ninong Rai.
Why? Oh,
Mula pa nung pagkabata, mistula ng
Okay, the first one is done. This is a very short video. Oh my gosh. Should I make more? So that is it for the first part, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you in my next video because I really wanted to react for the second part. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye.